I'm Joanna and I'm here to tell you about the Zwilling scale. Right now it's set for ounces, it also does grams, and it goes up to 22 pounds. Maybe you want berries or you're making other stuff, but you don't necessarily want the weight of the bowl. You want the weight of the things that go inside the bowl. So I'm going to tear out or zero out the weight of the bowl, and then I'm going to start adding stuff. And then from a cleanup perspective, let's say we make a little bit of a mess, it really cleans up beautifully. You just wipe it off. And then the last thing that I wanted to show you is how you switch from grams to ounces. So if you look carefully, you can see it says units here, and just by simply touching this guy, you'll actually move from grams to ounces. Hit it again, and you'll move back. You can handle big weights like packages, that it's so easy to clean up, looks great, and is rechargeable. It's kind of always ready to go in